Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are talking about the mathematics assignments of NIOS. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. If you need answers of these questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact on this number. We will provide all the answers in immediately on WhatsApp or in your doorstep. If you need other answers or other help also, so you can contact us. Now question number 2a is find the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, and also represent the roots of the quadratic equation on an argand plane. So here is a question, and if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers in your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.